You know you really make me smile. You know I like when you always take an extra mile, yeah. Cause when no one else comes around, you treat me like a queen and always give me a crown. Thanks for putting up with me. I left it sentimental, don't need a shopping spree. Cause I really feel so lucky.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's one of my first videos. My name is Destiny, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I stole my wigs. So that's it. Let's get into the video. So my hair is cornrowed to the back. I braided while it was wet, so it's easier to tame. Some people think it's harder, but yeah, I just do that. I just to the back because Lord knows I can't afford to lose no more edges doing this. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. All right, now I'm gonna do the bowl cat method. So. Cut the ears out, and if you see me looking down, I'm looking at the mirror because I need to see. Okay. Alright, now I do the freeze spray over my hairline, and then I'm gonna have the blow dry it, and I rub it in. Now I'm just dry. Uncool. Okay, so it's dry now. So now I'm about to cut. I'm not gonna lie, this is not really good. And I'm gonna use this contour palette I got. Can you see? Alright, yeah, this contour palette. I mix like two colors because my skin, I can never get something to match with my skin. So I'm gonna use this color and just pat it on. Remember, your scalp is not the same color as your skin. It's a little lighter, but just do as much as you can to blend it good enough. Cause I don't really like using my foundation because it's liquid, and liquid just be seeping in. It doesn't do the job, so I just use this and put it on my plate. It's really just trial for me. It's nothing, no formula. I just do what I do, and it's gonna come out how it's gonna come out, which is good. Period. Yeah. I don't remember how far back my lace run is. Yeah, I made my own wig, guys. I'm really doing it. You feel me? Let me just go like that, cause I don't remember how far back the lace was. So I have the alcohol. Just gonna wipe up the excess. More paper towel. It's fine. Y'all, my face is so oily. Hot going from Amazon and get you one. I think it was like $15. So I'm gonna put the wig on my head just to see, like, I don't know, I just want to see how it looks. Oh, this is the wig, guys. This hair touches my butt. I'm not that tall. This is only 22 inches and it touches my butt. So I'm like 5'3". Nice and full. Like, yeah, this is 3 bundles from some AliExpress company. I don't remember where. And I got this rental from Amazon. So, customized it myself or whatever. So yeah, I just want to see, I measure it on my head over here. Mad realistic. It's like stuff in the way. Well, girl. Alright. I'm gonna put the foundation on the waist. It low-key doesn't need, because you saw how it looked on my head. But I'm gonna just put a little. The same color I put on my hair. fun to me. Let me just put it back on my head because that's how I do it, and then I group it. And get the glue in. I do like 2 or 3, nothing crazy. Cause I don't want it to hold that long. We in quarantine. I'm not trying to wear a wig all the time, but I just want to show out for my birthday. So I'm gonna use Ghost Bond. Yeah. Okay. Let's get to it. Just some dots. Just use this and wipe it off after. Because you don't want any white spots to thumb this up. So just want to smudge in good. And my face trying to break out. You see this? Like after all the hard work I'm doing. What is that? I'm gonna take that off. I took that off. Like, it was just a white dot in the middle of my head. But yeah, guys. This is gonna be my first video, so like tell me what like content y'all want to see. Like I might do a birthday get ready with me, my makeup and stuff, cause I know I do my makeup too, but it's not all that, but it's decent, like decent makeup and decent hair. My hair be coming out good for, I wouldn't say a beginner, but I'm not a professional at all. Look, it's drying. So I'm gonna do the second coat. Okay, nah. You can tell how much I use these 2 colors, because why are they done? And what is this? BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Contour Palette. Y'all should get y'all this if y'all want y'all this to be slay. Ads, period. Okay. But yeah, how was quarantine treating y'all? Because I had a mental breakdown like the first 2 weeks of it, because like this is crazy. Like this is crazy. If you hear my sister in back, she's wilding. Like for real, she knows she in the video. But yeah, I'm supposed to be graduating, having the best time of my life, and then Corona come out of nowhere. Like nah, I'm tight. I was about to slay prom, believe it or not. I'm about to slay prom, graduation, cause I was like, I've been chosen at the valedictorian. Smart girl only, you know the vibes. Yo, but I was ace in school, and school wouldn't mess me up. So I was like, yo, do I deserve this? But yeah, it was crazy. Corona me to get out of town. I was supposed to go on vacation to Jamaica in July. Like, they've been playing with me. Nah, they're playing with me. I'm actually tight. I got them cooking arms. Yes, guys, I could cook too. Don't make fun of my arms. I just made some jerk shrimp and chicken with some corn. I was supposed to make some mac and cheese, and my mom forgot the cheese. So that's gonna be tomorrow. I'm gonna eat that tomorrow. Oh, if y'all want cooking videos, like everybody knows I could cook, like everybody. I will do some cooking videos. My mac and cheese, my fried chicken, roasted pasta, jerk chicken. Like, let me know. Curry chicken, Guyanese all day, period. Anyways, yeah, I came on here barefaced because I'm not doing my makeup. Like, I don't know what time is it, but I'm not doing no makeup. So, alright. And then after this coat's gonna be the last coat, and then we're gonna put a new one. That's that. Yeah, I got this from Amazon too. I be getting everything from Amazon. Like, who else been Amazon happy during this quarantine? Let me know, because I sure have. One more coat. I just been binge watching Netflix. I don't know, but I like magic shows, like witches and like werewolves and stuff. I don't know, I just found out I like those type of shows. I watch The Originals, Legacies, Charms. I'm watching The Order right now. Like, that's what I'm doing. I watch Outer Banks too. Y'all should watch that. Y'all should watch that. But give me some good Netflix shows to watch too, cause all these shows is ending abruptly because Corona. Corona is messing up my TV series now. They doing too much. Miss Rona needs to go. Now we're just about to put it on. I'm gonna cut it after. It's nice and silky. So I'm not even gonna put it down yet because I know I'm gonna need to add more glue. And then wipe off the excess glue. So wrap it up. It look a little white, but trust me, it's not gonna look like that. I'm put foundation on top and then tie it again. But we're gonna tie it now before I do my edges. Alright, looks fine to me. Period. Pull. Alright, I'm dragging it. Let's get the edges on. I use this to lay my edges. Just a dash though, not a lot. I'm running out though. Just like a dash. This much you can't even see. It took me man long to get my edges to look. Before we go. Yeah. Let's go to the next side. And that's on period. Alright, now I'm gonna put makeup in the beginning, cause right now, see how you still white before you don't really see white, but I'm just gonna do a finishing touch. Okay, we're good. We're good in the hood. So now, you know what we about to do? Lay them down. Gotta lay them down, honey. Now this hair is so good, honestly. I don't know why my face is so ugly, but yeah. Hey. And that's how I do my lace front wigs, my full lace wigs. Same thing. Hey, we there. We did. You did. Thank you guys for watching this video. Just hope you enjoyed it. Just I put my wigs on. If y'all needed help, I'm not an expert. I'm not an expert. But I still be doing a damn thing. Alright. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe to me. More content coming soon. Comment down below what else I should do. Peace.